Good morning everyone. I am Priyanshu Kamre, the news reporter of this Karyakarta 37 news channel with Swarup Deshmukh, the cameraman. So all students have gathered here for contesting this election. So let's see how they perform this election. So let's move our question to the candidates who are here for contesting this election. So first of all, I would like to ask you, why are you here? What is the reason behind this?
There is election, so I am here for election and voting.
So are you excited for this election?
Yes, I am excited for this election.
Okay, let's move for the male members. What do you think? Who will win this election?
I think that I should win this election because I would make the problems solutions for our class.
Okay.
Today, we the students of class 9th are here to represent the activity of election demo. So, in this activity, we the students of class 9th are going to show the process of election. So, there are three officers present before us. So, first one is the presiding officer. His name is Master Anvesh Shelki. The work of presiding officer is to see the overall practicing which are going on here, to see the polling officer 1 works and the work also of polling officer 2. So second one officer is polling officer 1. So he is the Master Namit Jumle and his work is to check the voting cards of the voters. And third one is Ms. Pariniti Tote, which is polling officer 2, and her work is to mark the ink on the fingers of the voters which have voted. So the mark indicates the people which had done the voting. So for this is a control unit which is used for showing the number of people who voted their representatives. And this is the EVM machine, which stands for electronic voting machine. Electronic voting machine in which the people are coming and pressing the button and give vote to their representatives. So this is the view inside the election process, and now we go to the view outside the election process. This is the view outside the election process, election room. It is the outside view for where the one police is standing here for checking all the people that they are not getting up here or not doing any unfair activity. For that, so that police is inspected here, and then these are all the people which come here for voting to their representative. So then, and also the reporters reporters are present here for talking with them, also for talking with the officers present inside the election room, etc. Now it is time to start the voting process.
So let's ask this contestant, candidate. Let's ask this question to this candidate that how he is feeling after voting.
I'm feeling very nice because it was my first time to vote and I am very excited to see who will win. Thank you.
Okay.
you.